warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm back on YouTube. So we can start with testing my typing speed on Monkey Type. It's for it's test for 60 seconds. So let's start. Oh no. So it's 64 and with accuracy 95%. So it's not that bad actually. So uh, and with consistency of 72%, I think it's pretty good. So okay, that's not our main focus. Our main focus is to talk to you about something that is I'm back online and I'm trying to understand some aspects of life right now that is actually helping me standing out. So maybe from today I'll be trying to make some time for YouTube and help you out on some aspects like how to study computer science, how to explore things like that, and also some other related things like as I currently working, as I'm currently working on object-oriented programming language. So maybe I can help you with OOP concepts, how to master it. Actually, I'm not a master of it, so definitely I will be just giving you the aspects of learning it that may make you uh, make it easier for you. And also some other things that I have learned, maybe I will be trying to give you some uh, uh, insider tips of that. Maybe I will also help you out with some of the most important thing that is how to learn it, and maybe I myself can also teach. So that's pretty much it. Uh, let's see how much we can go, and definitely pray for me so that I can stay consistent. So that's it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.